Yay! Today I'm going to show you how to apply false lashes. So fake lashes come in all different sizes. The ones I am about to put on are shorter than my actual eyelid, but I try to look for eyelash glue that is not as I guess dangerous for your eyes. This one is a brush-on adhesive with vitamins. It applies really easily, and then it also washes off. It's not like sticky and tacky so much afterwards, so it's really nice and it doesn't bother my eyes at all. When you're putting it on the actual fake eyelashes, you're gonna put just a small amount on the very edge of it that's already a little sticky. You're gonna wait for about 10 to 15 seconds to let it kind of get to where it's ready to dry, and then you're just gonna gently apply them. I start from the back towards the front since these are shorter than my actual eyes.